2023 Honda Accord Interior, Concept, Spy Photos. The new 2023 Honda Accord Interior will get a solution of two turbocharged motors, 1.5L inline-4 and 2.0L inline-4, combined either to CVT, 6-velocity guidebook, or even a 10-performance intelligent gearbox. A very successful hybrid version which happens to be driven with a binatural means aspirated, 2.0L engine, paired with an eCVT, is offered likewise. Inside, there isn't any gleaming sparkle throughout the cabin anxiously shouting for awareness. Its modest traits share a relaxed atmosphere all over the place, thereby ensuring that a peaceful and marvelous trip excellent. 2023 Honda Accord Redesign. Exterior Design. The new 2023 Honda Accord Interior is probably the most attractive midsize sedan. It happens to be designed with an even more athletic ideology and is unique in comparison to its other brethren. Though with the coupe-like design, Honda is watchful adequate to make sure that functionality has not yet applied a back-again chair. The slanting roofline on the Accord can make it endure out of your audience, and yes, it distinguishes it by reviewing the rivalry. A variety of trims have unique accentuating options internally in addition to externally. The sport-toned usually takes points up a degree with few athletic pieces including the stainless exhaust guidelines. The hybrid toned has grille shutters to hit in the aerodynamics. 17-in alloys are normal about the LX to reduce with additional interesting 19-in versions on the market at the top trims. At 192.2 ins, the Accord will not be the greatest on the bunch. Nevertheless, by using a wheelbase of 111.4 in, it unquestionably is amongst the roomiest challengers in a good deal. This will help with moving the larger car or truck around the area. Nissan Altima is the lengthiest on the whole lot and Ford Fusion will be the least amount of. But that's only in writing, as with individual all competitors highlight equivalent dimensional homes. Interior Design. Honda has supplied an excellent combination of present-day design, gentle impression resources, loads of home as well as a convenient-to-use infotainment process that has a nice and clean dash panel page layout using the 2023 Accord. The driver's seating will have to be established on optimum for bigger drivers because their knee joints could clean some plastic-type trims. The seating inside the Accord is comfy and effectively bolstered. Using a modern-day design, plenty of tender effect elements, and upmarket components, we dare say it has the greatest interior plan inside the class. The dash panel features a clean-up page layout of control buttons that can be willing for the driver, without any puzzling attributes and sophisticated navigation. The doorway sills are increased, having a broader front and back doorstep beginning for relaxed ingress and egress. 2023 Honda Accord Engine. The Accord is run with a very humble 1.5L turbocharged inline 3-tube engine and combined into a continually adjustable transmission. The CVT aids you to acquire the ideal productivity out of the engine. The Accord's performance is linear and never spectacular, yet it is plenty of to hold you nestled towards the seating. Made available is a hybrid Avatar and also a more robust 2.0L turbo 4-container generator. The 2.0L engine, confined to the peak, reduces touring, delivers an amazing 252 horses and 273 lb-ft of torque. The 1.5L, turbocharged inline several container pieces out 192 horses and 192 lb-ft of torque, and that are healthier for any midsize sedan. It is regarded as the strongest basic motor on this portion. The CVT aids you to draw out the utmost petrol productivity without having trouble very much for the performance. Exactly, the Sport Cut is often designed with a 6-rate guide transmission that is pretty exciting to operate while still profits a fantastic fuel economy. Probably the most extraordinary in the whole lot is the 2.0L, turbocharged engine which pumping systems out a decent 252 horses. The velocity is good to obtain a loved one sedan. The 6-pace guidebook may provide much more regarding push, but it's the CVT and 10-velocity automated that assists capture out highest from your motors. Honda's transmissions are getting to be an occurrence from the medium measurement sedan market. Both transmission choices are paired on the new turbocharged inline-4 engine selection that is a marked improvement this season. 2023 Honda Accord price and release date. A medium period revitalization usually means slightly earlier on rollout time than normal, hence the 2023 Honda Accord will most likely succeed the marketplace sometime in the third quarter from the next season. We never expect to have larger changes with regards to price, so starting point styles ought to go about $24,000.